Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know, I hate coming back like this. I hate leaving you guys for so long, but I'm back and we're gonna try some Whataburger today. I've been putting it off for no apparent reason, but I got it today. It smells so good. I just got it. It is fresh and hot and steamy and I am ready to eat. We gonna get into it. All right, so I got your guys' suggestions. Dang, they did. I feel like they didn't do me. I don't know. What's these onion rings looking like? So anyway, I got some onion rings. We'll put that right there. And then I got the recommended sweet and spicy bacon burger, and I got it on Texas toast. I added jalapenos and onions. So I'm super excited. It looks messy. Oh my gosh, you guys. This thing looks so messy. All right. And then I also went with another recommendation was to get the patty melt. So I'm going to be doing that. Oh, wait, no, I didn't get the patty melt. I got the chicken sandwich. But it was between getting the patty melt and this chicken tender sandwich. So I went with the buffalo chicken tender sandwich. So I'm going to be trying those today, y'all. And then I said, give me one of like each of your sauces. I thought they were gonna have like a better lineup. So all I got was spicy ketchup, picante, and salsa verde. So I'm gonna be trying those, I guess. Actually, no, I'm not gonna try that one. Like, why do they have this? That's funny. We gonna try it though. We gonna try it. We ain't gonna discriminate on the salsa verde. And the spicy ketchup. And regular ketchup. But I was hoping they had like a ranch. I'm surprised they didn't. If I said one of every sauce, I'm surprised they didn't have ranch. So I got some Chick-fil-A ranch, which I love their ranch, so that's all right with me. I'm gonna go grab some jalapenos and I'll be right back. All right, you guys. And then I got my sweet tea. You guys, if you haven't tried this, you need to go try it. I saw one person tell me they tried it, so, and they like it. So if you haven't tried this sweet tea, you can go get it, try it. My 2 little jalapenos, make sure that's not covering up anything. All right, guys, let's get into this. I'm really excited. All right, this is messy. Hello, and you guys know me. Here we go. First bite. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Oh my gosh. So good. Like, I keep wanting to stop and talk, but but it's so good. One more bite. One more bite and we'll talk. I'm literally in fucking heaven. Like, wow. I just want to say thank you for everybody leaving me their recommendations, their Whataburger recommendations. This is fire. I think I got a lot on the sweet and spicy, and then to add the the jalapenos and the onions, I got a lot of those. To toast my bread, I just ended up going with the Texas toast bread, so that is freaking delicious. And I was gonna go with the patty melt, but I figured that kind of, I wanted to like do something else other than the burger. Oh, that is so good. Anyway, guys, where have I been? I know y'all are wondering, like, where have she been? I'm actually gonna cut this in half so that Chris can try it. So it doesn't look like very much. Cheese, maybe. Buffalo sauce. Let me just open it up. Mayonnaise and barely any buffalo sauce. Hello. It's disturbing. That's not it. That's not it right there. I don't like that at all. What? That chicken sandwich is trash. All right, let's try this spicy ketchup. No, all right. Some salsa. Why not? Anyway, where have I been, you guys? I'm almost nervous. I'm almost nervous to sit here and talk to you guys about this. It's like, where have I been? But literally, I don't know. I hate being gone for so long, but I do got some exciting stuff I want to do. I did film a video that was supposed to go up like a day or 2 days ago. But it was a total fail, you guys. Okay, it wasn't a fail. Like, the burger was delicious, but I did the In-N-Out 4x4. I just didn't like how it looked. And I contemplated like posting it, and it wasn't, if I don't feel like it looks good or I can convey how like juicy and delicious it was, like I just feel like I failed. So I didn't end up posting it, unfortunately. I'm almost out of onion rings. This combo is delicious. I'm so disappointed in that chicken sandwich. This is a big burger. Oh. Oh my gosh. I feel like I should just try this. No. I didn't really even look to see what was on this burger. I just kind of went in. But they literally got the perfect amount of jalapenos in this burger. And you know what? This jam or whatever it is I put on this burger for the sweet part of it, it tastes really good with the toast because it's like almost having like jam toast. I'm really so disappointed in that. I should have just got the patty melt. I should have just went with my gut. That's so good. I'm so full already, you guys. You guys, what is going on with me? I know. Don't be mad at me though, okay? You guys, I'm coming back with some recipes. And also, I want you guys to, the next video I'm going to be filming with Chris. So if you guys have any questions for us, leave them down in the comments below. I'm also going to post something so you can leave comments over there on my Instagram, I think. So wherever you want to leave your questions, leave them. What do you want to know about Chris, about me, about us? Maybe I should do a boyfriend tag. I don't know. That might even be easier, just doing a boyfriend tag. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. And as far as being gone, listen, let's just pretend like it didn't happen. You know that, did anybody watch the Kevin Hart special on Netflix? If you did, let me know down below. I'm not going to do any spoilers. Well, I guess it's not really like, it's not like letting out Game of Thrones spoilers. I hate when people do that. I hate when people let out Game of Thrones spoilers. I don't even know why I'm talking about my shows right now, but while I'm on a roll talking about my shows, The Bachelorette is coming back. That show is super corny, but I'm excited to see that. I haven't watched any Game of Thrones because I wanted to binge watch it, so I've been waiting a few weeks, actually more than a few weeks, ever since Game of Thrones started. I've been waiting to watch the episodes so I can binge watch them, and I'm getting anxious. So I hate when people leave Game of Thrones spoilers, you guys. You guys, I'm such a weenie. I can never finish anything. Oh, I suck at mukbangs, that's for sure. I suck at them. But I do like to sit here and eat with you guys. Like, you know. Overall, I think I'm very disappointed in that chicken sandwich. Like, I don't even want to take another bite because it's very lacking in flavor. The breading around the chicken is really thick. I think if you're gonna do a chicken sandwich, the breading can't be like that thick because it's a lot. It's like, you know, basically you're just eating dough. But this was freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. Delicious. Love the sweet and spicy aspect. They put the perfect amount of onions on there. Adding the grilled jalapenos and onions was like perfect. And then eating it with my raw jalapeno is like, it takes it there. It takes it there, sis. All the way. And onion rings, you know, there were onion rings. Anyway, I just want to say thank you for all who recommended to do Whataburger. If you guys have any other like recommendations, let me know, obviously, down in the comments below. But we're going to be back this week with some fire recipes. I cannot wait to get them out to you guys. I feel like I have more to say to you guys. I'm like a scared puppy. I'm like, don't be mad at me that I was gone for so long, but I love you guys so much. So let's just not talk about it and pretend like I was not gone. Anyway, if you guys are still here, let me see what you can leave. Isn't there like a W emoji? If you guys are still here, leave me the W emoji. Yeah, I feel like I've seen that. But if not, if you don't see the W emoji, leave me some flames, so I know that you guys are still here, still watching with me. Anyway, I love you guys. I will see you in the next video.
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
That's weird. I just felt like the breading around the chicken is too thick. That's what I think. Well, guess I'll be leaving my mukbang show now, you guys. Chris will be sitting down and eating.